Stop paying for Claude Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to get $175 to $200 in free Claude credits and use the latest Claude Opus 4.6 and 4.8 models directly inside the official Claude Desktop app, completely free. No credit card, no paid subscription, and no complicated setup. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so even if you're a beginner, you'll have everything running in just a few minutes. If you're into AI tools, coding, or YouTube automation, this trick can save you both time and money. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if you enjoy practical AI tutorials like this, hit like, subscribe, and let's get started. First, head over to GitHub and sign in. You'll need an older GitHub account to be eligible for the free credits. Next, open the AgentRouter link from the description or the pinned comment below. Click Sign In, then choose Continue with GitHub. When GitHub asks for permission, simply click Authorize. After authorization, copy the URL you're redirected to and paste it into your browser if it doesn't open automatically. Once the page loads, click Sign In again, then select Continue with GitHub one more time. GitHub will ask for read-only access to your basic profile information. Go ahead and click Authorize. Don't worry, this permission is read-only. It cannot modify your account, access your repositories, or make any changes to your GitHub projects. Once that's done, you'll be redirected to the AgentRouter dashboard, and you're ready for the next step. Once you're inside the AgentRouter dashboard, you'll see that your account has been credited with approximately $175 to $200 in promotional credits. To verify them, open the rewards section, where your available credits will be displayed. As soon as they appear there, they're already active and ready to use. No additional verification or payment is required. Next, click on Wallet from the left sidebar. On the right-hand side, you'll see your rewards balance. To start using those credits, click Transfer Balance. You can transfer as little as $1 from your rewards into your available balance. Once the transfer is complete, you'll notice that your available balance updates instantly and those credits are ready to use. If you'd like to earn even more credits, AgentRouter also has a referral program. For every successful sign up through your referral link, you can earn an additional $100 in credits. So the more friends or colleagues you invite, the more rewards you can accumulate. Now, head over to the API token section and click Create Token. Give your token any name you'd like. You can leave the token grouping option as the default. If you want, you can also set an expiration date or leave it based on your preference. Next, choose a quota from the quota dropdown. If there aren't any restrictions for your account, you can simply select Unlimited. For the model selection, we'll keep all models enabled so the token can access every available model. Finally, click Submit. Your API token has now been created. Make sure to copy and save the API key somewhere safe. You'll need it in the next step to connect Claude Desktop. Now open your browser and search for Claude Desktop. Click on the first result, which is the official Download Claude page. Once the page loads, click Download for Windows if you're using Windows. The installer is only about 7 megabytes, so it should download quickly. Open the installer and it will automatically download the remaining 246 megabytes of required files. Just wait for the installation to finish. When it's complete, launch Claude Desktop and click Get Started. Next, click the menu icon in the top left corner, then go to Help Arrow Troubleshooting. Here, you'll find an option called Enable Developer Mode. Turn it on. Mine is already enabled, so you can see what it looks like. Now go back to the menu, select Developer, and then click Configure Third-Party Inference. This is where we'll connect AgentRouter using the API key we created earlier. First, copy the base URL from the AgentRouter dashboard and paste it into the configuration field. Set credentials kind to static API key, then copy your API key from AgentRouter and paste it into the gateway API key field. Make sure the gateway inference header is set to bearer. Click Test Connection. If everything is configured correctly, Claude will detect the available models. In my case, 2 models are available. Copy the model name you want to use and paste it into the model field. Finally, click Save Changes, then Apply Changes and relaunch Claude Desktop. Once it opens again, you'll be connected and ready to start using Claude through your AgentRouter credits. Now let's make sure everything is working correctly. Type a simple prompt like Hi and press Enter. If you don't get a response after a few seconds or the request keeps loading for too long, don't worry. That usually means the selected model isn't available at the moment. Simply start a new chat. At the top, you'll see the gateway label. Click it to open the configuration settings. Go to the model section and click Test to check which models are currently available. In my case, both Claude Opus 4.6 and Claude Opus 4.8 are listed. This time, let's switch to Opus 4.8. Select the new model, then click Save Changes followed by Apply Changes. Once that's done, relaunch Claude Desktop. After the app opens again, enter another prompt and wait a few seconds, and there it is. The response comes through successfully. Let's try one more question just to confirm. And yes, everything is working perfectly. Your Claude desktop is now successfully connected and running through AgentRouter using your free credits. You can monitor all of your API usage anytime from the AgentRouter dashboard, where you'll see your remaining balance and overall credit consumption. If you're running low on credits, simply share your referral link. For every successful sign up, you'll earn an additional $100 in credits. So, inviting more friends means more free usage for your AI projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect this setup with Claude CLI and OpenAI Codex so you can use powerful GPT models for coding directly from your terminal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.